thought it was a fairy tale turned into a nightmare, and I don't wanna turn on the lights. There's a beautiful monster, he's laying here in my bed, and I'm lying here believing his lies. I could face myself, even save myself, admit that I knew all along. But it's easier if I don't. No, it's easier, so I won't. I could go down that hole, down that long broken road, and find what I already know. But it's easier if I don't. I could dig up all the details, ask a million questions, or I could just try to forget. I could tell you that I love you, act like I trust you, 'cause I'm pretty good at pretend. I could tell you it's over, but then it'd be over, and some things are better unsaid. Oh, it's easier if I don't. No, it's easier, so I won't. I could go down that hole, down that long broken road, and find what I already know. But it's easier if I don't. No. It would be easier. I could face myself, even save myself, admit that I knew all along. But it's easier if I don't. No, it's easier, so I won't. I could go down that hole, down that long broken road, and find what I already know. But it's easier if I don't. If I don't.
This dance is called If I Don't. Choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It's a 24 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restarts and 1 tag in this dance. Section 1. Starting with the left foot, step left foot to the side, sway to your left, sway to your right, walk left foot forward, sweep your right, mambo, half turn to your right, rock forward, recover, half turn right, step right foot forward, facing 6, step left foot forward, hitch your right knee forward, back, side rock, recover, back, sweep your right, behind side. 1/8 turn to your left, forward, facing 430. Section 2, walk left foot forward, low kick on your left foot, back, 1/8 turn right, back, quarter turn right, forward, facing 9. Step left foot forward and drag your right. Right foot forward, step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, facing 3. Walk left foot forward, drag your right. Left diagonal, 130. Step right foot forward, hit your left knee, back, hook across, forward, hit your left, make a quarter turn to your right on ball of your right foot, facing 430. Last section, Step left foot forward, point right to the side, hold. Step right foot back, point left foot to the side, hold. Forward, sweep your right, just box with a cross. Cross, back, 1/8 right, side, facing 6, cross. Side, behind, lunge to the side, recover, quarter turn to your left, facing 3, half turn to your left, step right foot back. To start a new wall, make another quarter turn to your left, sway to the left, 1. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. In the dance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 3 and wall 6, you will dance A and R counts with step change, then restart the dance. On wall 3, you restart the dance facing 6. On wall 6, you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Now change the step to cross right foot up. Then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2. At the end of wall 7, facing 6, there's a 2 count tag. Now let me show you the tag. Starting with the left foot, step left foot to the side, sway to your left, sway to your right. With the counts, 1, 2. Then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.